Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern and this is a reverse right angle triangle pattern and in this pattern alphabets are repeated in a column wise, means in each columns alphabets are constantly repeated. So we used nested for loop to understand this pattern. Firstly we create outer for loop and in this outer for loop we take 0 as lower limit and 5 as a upper limit, and inside this outer for loop we create inner for loop and in this inner for loop we take 4 as lower limit, I minus 1 as the upper limit and minus 1 as the step value, and inside this inner for loop we print the inner loop variable that is j plus 65 because the sky value of capital A is 65, and when we have a column wise pattern we always print the inner loop variable that is j, and outside this inner for loop we used empty print function for cursor to the next line. When completing each row cursor will automatically move to the next line. So when you execute this program the accurate output is shown as below, that is given in the comment. So I hope you understand that how to build this pattern and what is the logic inside this pattern. So if you have any concern, any question regarding this pattern, you can text me in the comment section, and I hope you all guys really enjoyed this pattern programming series from scratch that is totally for beginners. And if you have any concern related to Django playlist, related to pattern programs in C programming, related to bootstrap or any other field, you can ask me in the comment section. And have a great day, and I hope you all are doing well. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Dipanshi, and thank you for watching, and have a good day, and trust the process of God. Things happen for a reason, and be confident, be positive, and move ahead.
I know one